Wait. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in. Please don't. Okay, nothing blew up.
Wala pa kuryente.
Hindi siya natatakot. So on ko na, no? On ko na.
Yeah.
So,
Takbo. Talay mo. Inon mo na?
yeah. Hey, it's turning on.
Oh, yeah. This is good.
I boot it up, press the power button.
You have control.
Are we gonna do this? After 6 hours, mga kaibigan, thank you so much.
6 hours no? Kasama break. So
6 hours kasama,
Let's not
7 hours kasama yung break.
7. Let's
7
go. Let's
kasama
go.
yung bread. Ladies
Let's
and gentlemen,
go.
ito na. With Boss Mac, my man right here, helping me out. And first ever PC build. Let's see if it turns on. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. In 3, 2, 1.
Oop.
What?
Wait, what? Wait.
Hindi power yung pinindot mo eh.
M yung pinindot ko. Saan ba? Ito pala.
It's the power button.
Hindi malaki. Sorry. Mali. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Is it good?
D5, it should pass B2. It should go past B2.
Oh!
It goes past B2. Does it say A?
No, it's saying
Yeah. No.
14.
Let me.
It's an AE right now.
You're in your BIOS na. Congratulations! Your PC has been booted. No failure. First boot. Congratulations, pare.
Let's go!
Grabe, hindi siya naman. That is first boot. First. Seb!
Let's go!
I would stand up pero kumakain lang. Pero congratulations,
Kailan.
man. That was really nice. And hindi siya namamatay. And the RGB, is it the RGB is
RGB
flowing?
is good, bro. RGB is good in the fans.